Hello and welcome back, folks. I'm sure several are in the same boat as I am and refraining from unnecessary purchases. Not in this economy. I'm also waiting on disability, so I really got nothing much to stretch. However, we can still ooh and ah on today's online window shopping video. Some of these are holiday edition, others were released in the last 6 months. Also, these aren't in any particular order either. I'll remind you, as I'll remind myself, we don't need this shit. We're not gonna buy this shit. Maybe if it goes on sale for 30% off or more. Until then, no. 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 First one up is the new limited edition Scents by Native, collaborating with both Dunkin' Donuts and Jarritos. 3 words: Boston cream pie. Fucking love that shit. Fucking love Boston cream pie. The donuts, the pie itself. Gimme, gimme, gimme. I haven't gone in store and tested what they smell like or really looked for them at all. Coincidentally, I also need new deodorant soon, so I hope I come across them here shortly. I wanted to try out the Girl Scout cookie edition. I believe that was from last year, but I was disappointed with the Samoa's version. It's been a while now, but I remember that it smelled sweet, like really, really potently sweet, but not a strong pull of coconut. It had more of a caramel, and that's where like the whole sweetness is coming from. But I didn't feel like it was balanced out with the coconut or the chocolate. But that's just me. They also, with the other Jarritos collection, I really want to try out the pineapple one. The piña Jarritos is usually my go-to anytime I find it in store. Both with the collections of Dunkin' Donuts and Jarritos, they'll have body wash, lotion, deodorant, shampoo, and conditioner. So quite the assortment there. I really want the pineapple one. I think I want the pineapple one over the Boston cream pie. Next one is clearly packaging, and I easily got sucked in. YSL has a new variation of the black opium line called Glitter. According to most descriptions, it's a sweeter version of the regular black opium. From what I noticed, the marshmallow notes are heavily mentioned in the marketing campaigns. Generally, I like fresh and fruity floral type of scents. Black opium was my first warmer, muskier type of fragrance for me. And luckily, it works with my body chemistry. I do get put off by scents that are too sweet. And like I don't mind like caramel or vanilla or even coconut, but I also don't like them to be too heavy on them either. Um, mm. Almost like a not quite a gag reflex, but it's just I find it overwhelming. I want to like it because the bottle looks really, really cool, but I'm gonna have to test it in store. I do have another fragrance that I've been eyeing at, and this one is the Small Set by Carolina Herrera. And it's a little trio. The set includes the original Good Girl, the blush, and the blush elixir. I haven't tried the elixir one, but it seems a deviation from the blush one. They used to have one with a clear white toe. Um, that one was awful. And I'm glad I wasn't the only one that didn't like it. At the time, I worked at Ulta, and there was a couple of us working in the fragrance section. And we were all just staring at the same shoe, and we just looked at each other like, yeah, that one's disgusting. We just didn't like that one at all. That fragrance was like kind of that white toe, reminded me of the YSL Libre. I think that's what it's pronounced, something French. Um, but the intense version of it, no, I just, There's like a particular note that both of them have that I just really do not vibe with. With the Carolina Herrera, that white toe, I think it's the, sorry, I'm butchering these names, the Ligera version. It's on their website, but I haven't seen it in retailers, or at least in person. I usually don't simp over nail polish, but I really like Hello Taco's winter collection. I've been wanting to try her polishes forever, but I'm terrible justifying nail polish since I take care of my nails that last. Hello, violinist. I can wear nail polish. It's fine. I'm sure like many others, we just accepted the reality that our nails will never be cute. I mean, they can be, uh, but we can spend that time practicing though. See what I mean? Another one is just the laziness, really. Plus, I'm super clumsy. For some reason, I will always just nick them, and when it gets messy for me to clean it up, it's a nightmare. I have such a hard time with it. Hello Taco just recently got into Ulta, which is amazing. I haven't checked if my local Ulta has it, but I hope they do. I wish I noticed though, because I was at Ulta not that long ago. I didn't mean to go into the store on Black Friday, but we did. We were bored, but it was way later in the evening. Thank God, because there was hardly anybody. There was hardly any people there, so it was a relatively comfortable shopping experience. I did pass the nail polish section, and I knew about the Holo Taco, but I chose not to look, and I think that was a smart idea, because I would have had to put something back. I was already getting my hands full. I was like, no, no, no. I just came here for eyeliner. That's all I came here. And it was like the surprisingly. Oh, wait. Is it here? No, it's not here. Okay, shit. Well, the I'm gonna have to make a separate video. Like some like inexpensive products that surprised me, because the LA girl the pencil eyeliner. Mainly just to kind of use them for like a really deep, dark, smoky eye. I've been digging. It's been fun. Actually, I've been some of the pictures on my Instagram, kind of like the more bolder, colorful looks. I used that as base, so it ended working really well. I digged it. I liked it. But I ended up like spending like $40 there instead of like the $10 I was anticipating, because those had some lashes. I'm getting off topic. For this one, I have to blame Jen, since she mentioned this collection about a month or so ago on a live chat. She's right. This collection is really cute. I mean, look at the compacts. They're shell shaped and iridescent. I don't need an eyeshadow palette for another century, but I like the multi-chrome shades in there. The Little Mermaid is one of my top Disney movies, despite the questionable storyline. This one's dangerous. It's really hitting the cute and the nostalgia factor for me. Side note, I'm absolutely digging Jen Love's channel, from James Charles series to the Gabby interview. Keep them going, Jen. Fucking love it. Another shout out to a smaller creator, Cosme Hunter, over on Instagram. There's no way for me to get this unless I'm in Japan, but this is Koze cleansing oil in this, I believe it says the Sakura edition. But this Koze cleansing oil looks like it's in a Sakura edition packaging thing. Give me 10. I want 10. Just give me a whole suitcase of it. It's a fucking cute. Packaging. Damn it. That's one thing when it comes to packaging. If there's Sakura shit on it, gimme. The only cleansing oil I've tried by another Japanese brand is DHC. I've been wanting to try other ones, like ones by Nivea or Shu Uemura, but I've only been able to find them online from retailers such as YesStyle or Stylevana. I keep telling myself I'll get a really nice brush set for the holidays. And it never happens. Probably because it's a $200 or $300 set, sometimes more. I've been eyeing Wayne Goss's brushes since they came out. I think it's like been at least 10 years now. He released a few months back a synthetic version that is a little more accessible price wise. And a lot of people have been really enjoying those for their quality. With my first YouTube check, yeah, I think that would be a good way to celebrate with some good Wayne Goss brushes. Or, wait, getting ahead of myself. Anyway, someday. Until then, I just have to admire from afar. A couple of other sets that I'll admire from afar are the holiday edition brushes from Chikuhoro. Oh, why are they so pretty? Yet they are like $200 for a set of four. Fuck! Ah. Okay. This lip cream cell phone is clearly for nostalgia reasons. The Party Line lip cream cell phone comes from the Gratitude collection by Beauty Creations. Didn't Col- didn't ColourPop also do a Bratz collab? I think they did. But Beauty Creations has a flip phone. And I actually had something like this growing up. I believe it was a Powerpuff Girls one. Mm. All right, again, these two are clearly for packaging. But look at them. The Dragon one is still available on. Oh, dang. How long has that been down? The Dragon one has been available on Hourglass's website, but I haven't seen it on Ulta or Sephora's website. The Lotus one is still available there, though. Actually, on both of them. Ah, these are so fucking cute. I want them. But this is so bad. I haven't even opened the one that I got over a year ago, so no. No. I've been getting super lazy on braiding my hair or putting it up in a bonnet at night. Have a lot I have a lot of hair despite having an undercut. Um I've been curious on satin pillowcases since this one by kit-sch is kind of this rainbowy, iridescent, satiny type of look. It also comes with a scrunchie. And it's rainbowy looking. I want it. I just like the color scheme on it. Maybe if it's still available, maybe it goes half off. This one, I think I might be eyeing and getting first. Maybe. We'll see. I saw this at Ulta and I want to try it so bad. It's the Creme Shop Peach Body Set that includes a body wash and lotion. It's the cute factor for me on this one. And one thing that I've noticed with like Korean or Japanese brands, I like that type of like peach scent that they use. I'm sure it's all artificial, but it's I prefer the white peach scent more compared to like peach scents on the western side. They're completely different, but I'm curious that if that's what it's gonna smell like or something similar. Either way, I'm probably not gonna be mad because I like peach. I totally forgot that Ulta carries Lush. Ever since Lush pulled away from social media, I completely forgot about them. There's also no Lush near me either, so that doesn't help. Snow Fairy is one of my favorite scents, along with Twilight. If they still carry that, the jelly soaps were my absolute favorite product. I already have a separate body wash as a backup, so I'm stuck waiting till next holiday season. I believe Snow Fairy is only holiday. I don't think it's one they keep year round. I could be wrong. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this window shopping trip with me. Are there any wants in your list? What products have you been stocking like I have? Let me know. Feel free to let me know down in the comments if you like this video. Or if you like if you had a good emotional session with me, you know, like we'll get through this. Feel free to go ahead and hit a like, and if you enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe wherever that button manifests over here. Speaking of which, my socials will also be appearing here soon. And yeah, feel free to follow my shenanigans wherever I be. I also hop over on Twitch quite a bit as well. All right, everybody. Well, happy holiday season to you all. And if it's a stressful time, well, we'll get through this. I'm cheering on for you. Because yeah, I've never been a fan of them either. So we're good. I get you. All right, y'all have a good night. Bye.